Welcome the our channel. Today we how to backup HubSpot call data from Aircall integration, complete guide step by step clearly. To backup HubSpot call data from the Aircall integration, start by logging into your HubSpot account. Navigate to the reports section in the main dashboard. Select the calls report from the available list of reports. Once in the calls report, you will see a summary of all your call data. To filter the data, use the options available to sort by date, call type, or user. After applying your preferred filters, look for the export option, typically found in the upper right corner of the screen. Click on the export button, which will prompt a drop-down menu. Choose your desired file format, such as CSV or Excel. Confirm your selection to initiate the export process. The system will generate your report, which may take a few moments. Once the export is complete, a file will be downloaded to your device. Locate the downloaded file in your designated Downloads folder. Open the file to verify that all call data has been successfully included. If needed, you can further analyze or store this data according to your requirements. For regular backups, consider setting a reminder to perform this process periodically. This ensures you always have the latest call data saved securely. With these steps, you can efficiently back up your HubSpot call data from the Aircall integration. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.